Welcome to this lesson on Azure Regions and Zones. In this video, we'll explore Azure's global infrastructure and understand how Microsoft has built a worldwide network of data centers to deliver cloud services with high availability and performance. Azure Global Infrastructure is a worldwide network of Microsoft-owned data centers that deliver Azure cloud services. This infrastructure consists of physical data centers connected across the globe, providing low-latency access to services from anywhere in the world. The infrastructure is designed with built-in redundancy for reliability and disaster recovery, ensuring your applications remain available even during unexpected failures. Azure's infrastructure is organized into three main levels. At the top level, we have geographies, which represent market boundaries like the United States, Europe, or Asia-Pacific. Within each geography, there are regions, which are physical locations containing one or more data centers. Finally, within regions, we have availability zones, which are isolated data centers that provide fault tolerance and high availability. A region is a geographical area containing one or more data centers connected with low-latency networking. Azure currently operates over 60 regions worldwide, making it one of the largest cloud infrastructure networks. Regions allow you to deploy resources close to your users for better performance, meet compliance and data residency requirements for legal purposes, and choose from different pricing options as costs vary by region. Let's look at some specific region examples. East US is located in Virginia, United States. UK South is in London, United Kingdom. Central India is in Pune, India, and Australia East is in New South Wales, Australia. These regions are strategically placed to serve users across different continents and time zones. Availability zones are physically separate data centers within an Azure region. Each zone has independent power, cooling, and networking infrastructure. Azure ensures a minimum of 3 separate zones in all enabled regions. Because each zone operates independently, if one zone experiences a failure, the other zones continue running normally. These zones are connected by high-speed private fiber networks, allowing fast data replication between them. Here's how availability zones provide fault tolerance. Imagine a region with 3 zones: Zone 1, Zone 2, and Zone 3. Each zone has its own independent power and cooling systems. If Zone 1 experiences a failure due to a power outage or equipment problem, Zones 2 and 3 continue operating without interruption. This design ensures your applications remain available even when individual data centers fail. Using availability zones provides several key benefits. First is high availability with a 99.99% uptime service level agreement for zone-redundant services. Second is fault isolation, which protects your applications from data center failures. Third is low latency between zones, enabling fast replication of your data. And fourth is easy deployment, as you can deploy resources across zones with minimal configuration changes. Each Azure region is paired with another region within the same geography for disaster recovery and data replication. For example, East US is paired with West US, North Europe is paired with West Europe, and Southeast Asia is paired with East Asia. These pairings ensure that if an entire region becomes unavailable, your data and services can be recovered from the paired region. Let's recap the key points. First, regions are geographic locations with data centers that host Azure services. Second, availability zones provide fault isolation within a region by using physically separate data centers. Third, region pairs enable cross-region disaster recovery for business continuity. And fourth, when choosing a region, consider 3 factors: latency to your users, compliance requirements for data residency, and cost differences between regions. Understanding these concepts will help you design resilient and efficient cloud solutions on Azure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.